This is is it Tuesday? This is Tuesday the 17th of March 2026 and Irish National today. Happy Paddy's Day, everybody! Hope you enjoy your day. You see him all rolled up, well, kind of partly dressed up. Have the hat that isn't going to room yesterday and have my shamrock trousers. Liam's got one of the hats as well. I got them yesterday. Don't room. Now this is just want to show you some just a few new mares. I'm not too sure that all of them are stained. It doesn't say anything about foaling only and some of them. This is creation. She's about to.
I fancy it.
It's beautiful. The 19th of the 3rd, which is in 2 days' time. So just be microchipped. This is another mare called Nola. Her sire is Sione. Her dam is Queen Philippa.
Philippa.
And she's visiting Camelot. And she's about to Zarak, something like that. She's due to fall on the, what was it? 13th, is it?
18th, 19th, sorry.
19th.
19th to the 3rd, yeah.
19th to the 3rd, yeah. And she's is that Kerlov, is it?
Kerlov, yeah.
There's actually staying here, though. Now, this is Air. That name rings a bell. I think she's been here before. That mare's been here before, hasn't she? Aired. She's been here before, hasn't she? Tila Philo. Dam is
Rayada.
I think she's been here before. Like. She's staying here. In fact, her of Irish National Stud. And she's supposed to Lucky Vega. Due to fall on the
15th
of the 3rd. Just 2 days ago. Tariba. Tila Philo again. Dam is. What's that?
Comes Sean and on something.
The boat to Love to Vega. 25th of the 3rd. Oh God, that's ages away. I have no idea what that's supposed to mean. Crotchet. Oh, that mare's been here before. Crotchet.
Crotchet, yeah.
She's been here before. Crotchet. Yeah, Little Force. Dam is.
Humoresque.
She's been here before, like. Yeah. Go to Star Spangled Banger. First of the 4th, is it?
3rd.
First of the 3rd? Well, that's ages ago. Oh, she's way overdue.
BMC, being microchipped.
You might be chipped as well.
So she must have been born. Didn't say when though.
What's she doing there? What's her name doing there that she's been born? It's probably born if her name's still there. Read my ways back.
Good old Dream Way.
She's back. Baba, Dream Away. Dream Way's back, Liam. Dream Way's back. Yeah.
Should have been a ring.
She's going by the Irish National Stud. Like I said, that she's on by the stud. Spoke to girls. She should be in a ring. Of course, she should be in a ring. And apparently he's from Great Britain. He's so Irish, he's a Great Britain. He's an English horse. Due to fall on when?
4th of 4th.
Don't do. Wait a minute. What's 4th of 4th? That's April,
yeah. Federica Sophia.
Oh, sorry, Galileo. Dam is Sapphire.
Sapphire, yeah.
Sapphire something. It doesn't say anything about falling only, so it looks like keeping it staying. go to No Lay Never. Beautiful.
Third of the third.
Third of the third.
Being microchipped, so it has been born.
Search for a song. This mare's been here before.
Yeah.
Search for a song. Galileo.
Yeah.
Dam is Polish Jen. Oh, she's the sister of Friegel. She's the sister of Friegel, Lynn. Oh, I met her before. She's here before, Lynn. Polish Jen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Chestnut. I remember her. Chestnut.
There's a gap in the back of the alien light. See the wood? The wood is the back of the wood there.
Oh, I see that.
Alien light, yeah.
No, she was here before.
Yeah.
Be my chip. She was here before, Lynn.
Do not to be put in stocks. Be careful. So she must be a bit temperamental. Be microchips.
Not being the same.
Don't know. Not to be put in the stocks. I don't know what that means.
Touching. Oh, she was here before too. She was here last year.
Yeah.
Touching clouds, wasn't she?
Yeah.
She was here last year too, wasn't she?
Yeah.
Warfront. Princess Highway. I remember Princess Highway. Princess Highway was a mayor here too. Do you remember?
Yeah.
I think it's about 2 years ago, 3 years
Yeah,
ago.
yeah.
She was a mayor here. Princess
Yeah,
Highway.
yeah.
And she's also a racehorse.
Yeah. Yeah.
She's also a racehorse here too. Or racehorse as well. Looks like she could be staying. In forward to. Oh yeah, Palace Pier. Dutiful when?
15 to the 3rd.
You have to go a little closer to me because it's very windy here.
Be microchips.
Yeah, I can shoot there. Woodchip. I haven't seen any mares in the woodchip field yet.
Yeah.
Palm Lily. Oh, Palm Lily.
Good old Palm
It's
Lily.
not Palm Lily, Lynn. She's back. Expert Eve. Expert Eye, sorry. Damn Lady Livius. Livius. She's already out now, Beautiful. Oh, in forward too, sorry. Glen Eagle. Beautiful. What was that?
The 8th of the 3rd.
Poplin. She's new. Poplin.
Popson, yeah.
She's new.
Medician.
Let's see. Dam is.
Hongi.
The visit.
Delacroix.
He's new. He's in Coolmore. He's new. He's the new stallion in
Yeah.
Coolmore. This is only his first season. Only his first season.
Nathaniel.
Go to Nathaniel. Is Leo's in Coolmore? Or is he Kildagan?
I don't know.
He's either Kildagan or Coolmore.
One of them, yeah.
Beautiful.
26th to the 3rd.
This is one.
Sharif. Shakif.
Seapoy.
What's the legitimate way?
Dam is Perks Rock.
Orcs Rock, yeah.
Perks Rock. Actually, she could be staying too because it doesn't say anything about, it doesn't say anything about following only here. I go to.
Nanda
Nanda
Prada.
Prada.
Oh, yeah. Be careful. Refer to Lealeh. Be careful. See that? Must be be dangerous.
Here, right, I'm going to come to that. More here.
Huh?
Party, wasn't she?
Who?
Rusty Party.
Yeah, I think so.
Rusty Party. The Bowie. Down is Profound Beauty. Oh, she was here before. I remember that name. I do remember that name. Yeah, I do remember that name. I go to Tinman. Dutiful on the when?
10 to the 3rd.
10 to the 30th. I do remember that in B market chip again. Just beautiful. Oh, she was here before too. Just beautiful. She was. I remember seeing her. She's down in the Bradford Yard. What was it 2 years ago?
I think so.
Just beautiful. I don't remember that name. Just
Yeah,
beautiful. She's
yeah.
down in the Bradford Yard.
Yeah.
Oh no, I just took somebody else. Because there was a mare down the Bradford Yard.
Brown mare,
But she had beautiful in her name. She was,
Yeah.
she was a chestnut. She had beautiful in her name. She had chestnut. She was a chestnut. But this mare was here last year though. Do you remember that name?
Yeah.
She was here last year.
Yeah.
That name does ring a bell. But that, she was here last year. Pride of Dubai. Dam is
Astral.
Israel. That sounds like she could be daughter of Australia. What is it? Beautiful. Info to Dubai. Beautiful.
10 to the 3rd.
You might trip again. But it's not being like a trip, isn't it? Making light.
Tammy use.
Dam is
Instant spark.
Instant sparkle. Go to Nathaniel. Beautiful.
15th.
Look.
15th to the 3rd.
I think Nathaniel is the longer version of Nathan.
Yeah, I think it is.
I think it's the full version of Nathan. Yeah, I think Nathan is short for Nathaniel. Is short for Nathaniel.
Yeah.
Yellow. What's yellow mean? What yellow's supposed to mean?
Wonderful Queen.
Wonderful Queen. That's a lovely name, isn't it? You might have to check again. Harry Angel. Dam is never lose. She's staying as well. Doesn't say it going on. Info to Bungle in the Jungle. Beautiful. 20th to the 3rd.
That's it, the last one.
Let's see. Awesome.
Okay.